And now we see how we get the brightest point. This is your theta angle between angle between this line, that is your what we say that PP, and the central line, that is your CO. तो P यहाँ पे लेट्स से C पॉइंट है, तो PC और PO के बीच का एंगल है, ठीक है जी. एज वी आर गेटिंग द सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा हेयर, सो एट दिस पॉइंट थीटा इज 0, बिकॉज जैसे जैसे ये P पॉइंट, P डैश, P डबल डैश, P ट्रिपल डैश क्या बता रहा है, ये सारे पॉइंट बता रहे हैं हमें क्या क्या मिलेगा, डार्क ब्राइट. इस तरह से सबसे पहले पॉइंट हमारा मैक्सिमम यहाँ पे होगा. सो C, P और CO एक ही पॉइंट पे होंगे, ठीक है जी. फर्स्ट पॉइंट यहाँ पे होगा, तो सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा यहाँ पे मिलेगा, सो थीटा इज 0. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे व्हाट वी सी, we use this formula bn is equal to a sin theta when angle is small, bn is equal to a theta or theta is equal to bn by a, ठीक है जी. We put the value of bn for each case. Firstly we are finding the bright point, so we are putting the value of bn, that is here bn is 3 lambda by 2 here, so we get the theta. And next the brightest point is this one, so we put the value of bn, that is the 5 lambda by 2 here, 5 by 2 lambda, so we get the theta here. Similarly this is the generalized formula 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2a. This we see as a odd multiple of lambda by 2a, so this is the generalized formula. If we put the n is equal to 1, so 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3 lambda by 2a. If I put the value of 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 lambda a. Here this central maxima is given as a number of 0. Okay, the first brightest point is this one, that is P dash, and the second brightest point is P triple dash. Like this, continue in this manner. So this is the first, this is the second. Central is the, like we have not given a number, so that is the central maxima. Similarly, what is the distance from the central point for each of the, like P dash का कितना डिफरेंस है, P ट्रिपल डैश का कितना डिफरेंस है, 0 से लेके P डैश का, ठीक है जी, फर्स्ट ब्राइट पॉइंट का, फिर 0 से लेके P ट्रिपल डैश सेकेंड पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस. हाउ वी फाइंड दिस, एज वी हैव यूज दिस फॉर्मूला that we have discussed in the previous class, x is equal to bn into d by a. We put the value of bn for the first bright point, that means for P dash, what is the bn, that is 3 by 2 lambda, 3 by 2 lambda, so it become 3 by 2 lambda into d by a. After that we put a value for the next brightest point, that is P triple dash, that is 5 lambda by 2, 5 lambda by 2 into capital D by a. This is the like second one. Okay, for the first, like central maxima, distance is 0 because the point is lying here and the central point is here. Okay, so distance, like for the P dash, we like this is the distance. यहाँ पे ब्राइट मिल रहा है तो ये डिस्टेंस होगा, यहाँ पे ब्राइट मिल रहा है तो ये डिस्टेंस. विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस, अगर यहीं पे ब्राइट मिल रहा है और विद रिस्पेक्ट टू भी ये होगा, तो डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, x की वैल्यू 0. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट ब्राइट पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस, दिस इज योर सेकेंड ब्राइट पॉइंट का distance. Similarly we do for the dark point. See this, we put the value of what, bn by a for the first darkest point, that is your P. What is the value of P? Here P is the lambda, so lambda by a. After that the second brightest point is the P double dash, that is this one. So what is the value of bn, that is the 2 lambda by a. So first is lambda by a, second is 2 lambda by a. Similarly another one is 3 lambda by a. So the generalized formula that we get is n lambda by a. If I put the value of n is equal to 1, what we get, lambda by a. If I put the n is equal to 2, so it become 2 lambda by a. Similarly if I put lambda is equal to 3, then it become 3 lambda by a.